In modern science, we often have to use very big or very small numbers. We are often dealing with billions, trillions, or even larger quantities. There are a few ways to do this, but the first way is to use named orders of magnitude. A couple of quick questions. Be ready to pause if you want. What do we call 1/100th of a meter? You might use these quantities every day, but 1/100th of a meter is 1 centimeter. Let's try another. What do we call 1,000th of a meter? If you look at the first answer, this might be a little bit easier, but 1,000th of a meter is a millimeter. And so these prefixes centi and milli are the names for orders of magnitude. Centi basically means 1/100th of a, and milli means 1,000th of a. Here is a table of some of the most common orders of magnitude and the names that we give them. You can see that in the middle row of the table is the number 1. If we multiply something by 1, then it does not get bigger or smaller. We do not see the lower orders near to 1 very often because they are such small everyday numbers. We do use centimeters, but you won't usually hear about decimeters or decameters. If we go up the table, you can see kilo, like in kilogram or kilometre. A kilogram is 3 factors of 10 bigger. In other words, it's 1,000 times bigger. And above that we go to mega, which is 1,000,000 times bigger, or 6 orders of 10. Giga is 1,000,000,000 times bigger, and some of you might even be familiar with tera, which makes a number 1,000,000,000,000 times bigger. The same goes on when we make things smaller. Milli makes a number 1,000 times smaller. Micro is 1,000,000 times smaller, and nano 1,000,000,000 times smaller. Each of these different orders of magnitude has its own symbol, which might be either an uppercase or a lowercase letter. Make sure you get the right one. There is a big difference between millimeters and megameters. Let's do a few quick examples, so be ready to pause if you like. If you have 1,000 grams of mass, which order of magnitude are you best off using? The answer is the kilogram. 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. Moving on, what about 1,000,000,000 bytes of information? Which of the orders should we be using here? I can tell you that this one is the gigabyte. That's right, 1,000,000,000 bytes of information is 1 gigabyte. And finally, what about this one? 0.000001 meters of distance. This one is a little bit harder, but in fact this is 1 micrometer. It is 1,000,000 times smaller than a meter. Imagine that you look at 1 millimeter on your ruler and you divide that into 1,000 pieces. That's how small the micrometer is. It also has a strange symbol. This is the Greek letter mu, but we can use it just like normal letters when we are writing units like this. Here you can see a full list of orders of magnitude as shown on Wikipedia and all of the different names that they have. To be honest, we might need even bigger and smaller numbers in the future. Hi there, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, etc. If you prefer longer videos, you can find the full versions of these lessons on our other channel, which is just up there. But no matter what, please keep learning something, because no matter who you are or how old you are, every day is a school day. Bye for now.